Today's content can be created and delivered. But how can you carry it with you? You've been wandering this world looking for authentic stories. In this age of digital reality, you know they are out there. Your day begins with a checklist. Stories can be found anywhere in the world. Sometimes they feed creativity, sometimes they add notes of flavour to it. Digital is a challenge. But heritage is essential. You've always been attracted from circularity, the idea that every end marks a new beginning for continuous improvement. Wow, fashion is in everywhere. From content production to post-production and omni-channel delivery. Hyphen-Truck, the digital content factory on wheels.